name's Saren Pierson. I'm the Workplace Space Planning Manager for the Monterey Bay Aquarium in Monterey, California. And I've been with the group about 2.5 years. I have a degree in interior design, and I spent a few years drafting and doing interior design work for small and medium architecture firms. And then I transitioned more into kind of a planning and construction role after a few years with that. So I've done some university work. I've been a consultant at a tech company, got into a little bit more occupancy planning in that role. And now I wear a lot of hats for the aquarium because we're a pretty small organization. The aquarium has about 500 staff, give or take. We have a real surge during the summer season because that's when our guest traffic really ramps up. But we also have about 1,200 volunteers any given year. And we've been using Archibus for quite some time. It started in our facilities groups for planning and construction and facilities maintenance. So we're all in with space management and kind of occupancy, capturing who sits where. And we're dipping a toe in with preventive maintenance, service ticketing, and on-demand. And we're starting to get some new stakeholders at the table for our program, which is really exciting. So custodial is coming on board. They're about to roll out on-demand ticketing. And we have some interest from our husbandry group who takes care of all our animals in our collection. They have some needs that we might be able to meet with Archibus. And when we're feeling really expansive, we're kind of hopeful that maybe we can bring IT and security and all sorts of other folks to the table because we just see so many unmet needs that connect with that space data that it would be helpful. Planning and construction, there's 7 of us, plus a CAD technician who's on contract. Facilities maintenance is a much larger group. We have a lot of in-house trades, plumbing, mechanical, electrical, paint shop, wood shop, mechanical, like everybody's there under one roof. I think if we can really wrap our arms around the service ticketing and get to a point where that is very dependable and the business process is consistent, and we can roll that out to staff at large, I think that would be a huge win for us. Right now it's more of an internal tool and it's a little bit spotty. We're not using it to capture 100% of the man hours spent on service requests quite yet. I am really excited about the strategic space planning tool. The current incarnation is pretty cool, but I understand there's going to be coming soon the ability to design drawings of a potential future state, plug occupants into that future state and do iterations where you can get approval from senior leadership. We are talking a little bit more about kind of metrics and sustainability, and we have a new vice president of exhibits, so there may be some appetite for finding synergies and having them get on board.